The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch?
Dancehall, skilla.
Yeah, get it, man. I'm begging, I have confidence to fuck. Fuck, you know, Moby yet? Yeah, man. Yeah. Man, I'm begging, man.
Listen that. Listen that, Joe.
It's the first I ever see someone I walk with a barrel and I beg money. Some Jamaicans would say, at the first, me ever see something like that. You see me? Alright, viewers and subscribers, big up and respect to each and everyone. My name is Dancehall Skilla. I am here again. Yeah, big up. Alright, so in this video, I'm presenting to you videos that are being talked about on social media. I'm presenting these videos to you because these videos are being talked about on social media. I'm also presenting these videos to you so that you can take a look at these videos. You can also let me know what you think about these videos and to also keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on. Alright? Now, I do not have any confirmed information as to where some of these videos have been recorded, but however, I'll give you whatsoever information I got about each videos as I present them to you. I do not have any information as to when these videos have been recorded, and I'm going to tell you from right now that some of the scenes in these videos, they might not be suitable for everyone. Alright? Now, I just presented to you a video that shows a person walking with a barrel somewhere within the country of Jamaica begging money. Viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think about that video, isn't it? Yeah, I saw more than one videos that shows this person walking with the barrel begging money. You see what I say? Yeah, so, you know, I'm just letting you know about that. You see me? Well, anyways, I'm going to move on to another video, viewers and subscribers, alright? You can let me know what you think about that video that I just presented to you, alright? Now, the next video I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show a person who said some things that gave me the understanding that he said that a bullet that was in his body for years somehow fell out of his body. The person shows a hole in his body, and according to some things that the person said, is like he said that the bullet came out of his body through that hole. Viewers and subscribers, I'm going to present the video to you so that you can take a look at it for yourself. You see me? Yeah, I'm going to present the video so that you can take a look at it for yourself. But before I present this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Now here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
Watch it. Bullet toilet, you know? Bullet toilet. Bullet toilet. I'll show you something. But a while ago, the beard come out of the bathroom, the dry off, and I bullet this just drop out of me, so. Just entirely drop out of me. 3 years now, you know. Watch the bullet. That just drop out of me, so, you know. Just drop out of me, so. And 3 years in my back, I can't even sleep good. It torment me more well. And you know why did the doctor never take out a long time? When I rest under my heart. And you know, that moves until it go straight around my back. And I say a while ago, me just don't be the dry off, I just drop out, so.
Viewers and subscribers, in my point of view, I think that he should give God thanks. See me? I think that he should give God thanks. Alright, you can let me know what you think about that video that I just presented to you. And with that, I'm going to move on to another video. Now, the next video I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, this video is going to show what happened after members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force pulled over motorists somewhere within the country of Jamaica. Now, according to some things that I heard in this video, I got the understanding that someone said some very disrespectful things about members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force. You see it? Some harsh languages have been used in this video, viewers and subscribers, and I'm going to present the video to you so that you can take a look at it for yourself. And you can also let me know what you think about this video, alright? Now, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Now, here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
I'm today, man. Me and the money I go 64, him said the money I go 99. Eh? And I see it in the same me I go 99. Big man, him so for the person. Yeah man. So soon I could. Yeah man. Instagram like this man. I live with the part. Yeah man. Shoot up and shoot me. Shoot up and shoot me, yeah? You know fucking belly as you no beg too much man. That's how I know pussy on camera so.
The person in that video sounds really upset, viewers and subscribers. The person sounds really upset, you know. Anyways, you can let me know what you think about that video. Alright? Now the next video I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, according to some things that have been said on social media about this video that I'm about to present to you, it is said that a person from the country of Trinidad and Tobago, who you can hear talking in the background of this video, found maggots in a KFC meal. Now viewers and subscribers, before I present this video to you, I want you, my viewers and subscribers, to know that this video shows maggots. You see me? Yeah, this video shows maggots. So I'm making it be very clear before I present this video to you, alright? So before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Now here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
Watch this. Now by KFC in Marvel. Watch your maggots.
You seen it moving?
Look him under here. After Diamond now eat this. After she eats it, look at him. Look how much.
Oh, fuck it.
You know seeing?
You seen what?
Who the hell is this boy? Nah man.
Proper,
This is KFC Marvel. Very nice.
Alright, so there you have it, viewers and subscribers. A video that is out on social media, and according to some things that have been said on social media, it is said that somewhere from within the country of Trinidad and Tobago, someone found maggots in their KFC meal. You see me? You can let me know what you think about that video, alright? And I want to say to each and everyone out there, be careful when you buy and you're about to eat food. You see me I say? Yeah, be careful, you see me? I'm not saying these things to discourage anyone from buying food out there, and I'm not saying these things to be disrespectful towards anyone's company or a restaurant. No, you see me? Because mistakes do happen, even though these kind of mistakes are just bad. That's if it is a mistake, you see me I say? However, be careful, alright? Because in my point of view, each and every adult out there are responsible for taking care of their own body, are responsible for what the thing you put in your body. You see me? That's my understanding, or that's my point of view. You see me? I have another video I'm going to present to you, and this video is going to show a confrontation between a female and a member of the Jamaica Constabulary Force. You see? This video is going to show the female standing in front of a police service vehicle, and the member of the Jamaica Constabulary Force came out of the vehicle, and I don't know what happened after that. You see me? Now, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Now, here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe. Alright, so there you have it, viewers and subscribers. Videos that are being talked about on social media. You see it? Yeah, me Dancehall skilla, I'm here to keep you up to date and post it and let you know what's going on. And I want to say big up and respect to each and every one of you, my viewers and subscribers, because without you, my viewers and subscribers, Dancehall skilla channel would not be possible. You see me? So I want to say big up and respect to each and every single one of you, my viewers and subscribers. Alright? I'm gonna big up on yourself, you see? Alright, so here's where I'm going to leave it. And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. And my name Dancehall Skilla. You know, big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall skilla.
Yeah, me know. Hey, yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.